Today I want to show you how to lathe braking discs. This is braking disc from Xantia. So I set it. Supported with center, so it better centering. So let's start. So finish looks like this. Pretty good for me, for my old Sebastian lathe. Yes, if you want better, you can try to grind it on grinding polish machine. I think maybe it's possible grind on angle grinder, turn disc and lathe and polish it, but car will done this job with braking pads. It will be like mirror, so it's not necessary to polish it. It's pretty smooth, nice. So like this. You need low speed, low feeding, and you will get result like me or better. For cooling I was use water which car wax, so it's not rusting so crazy. If you will use only water, it will rust very fast in a couple minutes after you finish your job. So leave comments, subscribe, leave likes, dislikes and follow my channel Nagla626, and you will see more later. So good luck and goodbye.